The Ono U International Street Art Festival in Papeete is a spectacle of modern art where the cityscape bursts into life with over 30 murals. It's a celebration of creativity, transforming once dull facades into a vibrant gallery. The festival is not just an exhibition, it's a cultural exchange, a communal atmosphere where art enthusiasts and curious onlookers converge. Join a guided mural tour through Papeete's streets, where each mural narrates a unique story. The tours blend art appreciation with historical insights, offering an interactive experience that connects you with the city's heartbeat. Starting at Rue Jeanne d'Arc, the 1.5-hour journey is available in English and French, revealing the city's artistic legacy. Papeete's streets are a dynamic canvas, blending traditional Polynesian motifs with contemporary artistic flair. The city's vibrant festivities offer a sensory explosion, with the bustling markets and street murals telling a story of a culture that is vibrant and ever-evolving. The Morotia cultural experience immerses you in Polynesian culture with traditional orero speech and workshops in tapa making, Polynesian dance, flower lei making, and breadfruit wood fire cooking. Set against historic Maori sites, this experience connects you to the island's cultural roots. French Polynesia's art scene is a vibrant tapestry, weaving together the old and the new. The Morotia cultural experience offers hands-on workshops in tapa making, dance, and wood carving, allowing visitors to explore the cultural villages and discover archaeological marvels. Engage in the Morotia cultural experiences workshops, from the rhythmic Ori Tahiti dance to the intricate craft of tapa making. Each workshop is a step towards a deeper connection with Tahitian culture, culminating with the traditional Ma'a Tahiti lunch. The Austral Islands are renowned for their wood carving heritage, with artisans creating intricate works that preserve the island's history and stories. These wood carvings embody the spirit of Polynesian culture, available for purchase at local markets and workshops. Discover the Austral Islands' treasure trove of local handicrafts and artisanal crafts, from intricate wood carvings to woven items and exquisite South Pacific pearls. These handcrafted items are not just commercial products, but a way of life that preserves Polynesian culture. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.